everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to update your Google Play Store to the latest version in just a few steps. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner and from the menu select Settings. Now scroll down and tap on About. Here you will see the Play Store version listed. Now tap on Update Play Store. If a new version is available, it will update automatically in the background. If your Play Store is already up to date, it will show a message saying so. Sometimes you may need to restart your phone for the update to apply. And that's it. That's how you update the Google Play Store to the latest version. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Android tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.